Hi, I'm Tom Lamb, and today we're looking at Rhinox's new and improved Quick Hitch for mini diggers. Hello again, Josh.
Hello again.
It's like Christmas today. Got all these Quick Hitches because my idea was I want to fit Quick Hitches to all the little machines so that we can interchange all the different buckets between them, because obviously usually if you had a micro digger, those micro digger buckets would not fit a mini digger or like a slightly bigger, like a 2-ton digger or whatever.
Typically, yeah.
So what we've done, we've fitted these Quick Hitches, so now we're going to be able to use everything. So if we've got a jackhammer on the micro digger and we want to put it on a mini digger, it's now going to fit on here.
Yeah, we've just been lucky this time because I believe your micro is a Hitachi machine.
Yeah, the micro digger is on the same size pins as this, so that is why we can get away with it.
Or sometimes we can do it like yourself with the Volvo and the Hitachi, where because of the same pin size, the geometry is not too much different. You're not going to risk damaging the arm of your excavator by fitting a sort of mix and match style hitch. Yeah,
so what I've found in the past, like this little bucket just down here, that's usually for this digger. Yeah. But if we need it on like a micro digger or something, and it's out with that one, we haven't got one that doesn't fit. So now we've got this one, so now we can just interchange everything. So this should it should make our life a lot easier. We just fitted this bar on the back as well. It's basically very easy, just 2 bolts, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right, with a bar holder. So you've always got it stored. You're never going to lose it. They are very difficult to
behind the seat or down the side of the seat. I've decided to fit it on the back here, so people don't ring me up and say, oh, how do we get the bucket off? Yeah. They can see there's a bar on the back that we can just take off. What else can you tell us about it?
Yeah, so this is actually a patent pending product. Yeah. The system holds a captive die spring. Okay. So instead of having a die spring that can bend and fold when you're operating, this is locked in place, so the die spring can do its job of compressing.
It doesn't spin round.
That's right, yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So usually a spring would bend and twist, which is not how a die spring is designed to be used. A die spring is designed to be compressed and not bent. Okay. Which is why this one actually keeps tension and will constantly keep tension for a good few years. So the latch is not going to move. You're not going to get that excessive wear. The front hooks themselves are hardened steel, so you're going to wear out your bucket pins before you actually wear out your hitch. So your bucket pins, you can take them out and you can replace them. They'll cost you a few quid rather than having to replace the full Quick Hitch itself.
And I'm hoping we're not going to lose this. Shouldn't do, because we've got this clamp on the back to hold it in.
That's right, but we do keep spares on the shelf for a next day delivery, so if you do lose it, give us a call, we'll sort you out.
That's exactly what I want to know. How we're going to use a Quick Hitch.
Yeah, so it's really simple. You got your linch pin here, which is on a steel rope, decent thickness steel rope, so that's not going to snap. Pull your safety pin out. You don't need to hammer this.
And that's to stop it dropping off.
That's right, yeah. It's a mechanical lock, so there is no spring holding the buckets on. Once you get the safety pin to the right position, bar in the back, that's it. Make sure it's locked on.
And that's it locked on.
Then
push that back in.
Back through, linch pin on the other side.
That's a lot easier than me pushing them pins through.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Because if you look at these other pins just down here, so these are the ones that we have been using, and look, people have to hammer them to get them through. Can't grease them anymore. I've drilled them out no end of times, and they're just wrecked. Yeah. Whereas now, people aren't going to have to hammer them. They just put a bar in like that. And you've got these for every single type of machine possible, haven't you, really? Pretty
much, yeah. There's a few machines we don't have them for, but most of them we are covered.
Do you sell a lot of these?
We do actually, yeah. Especially the new style of hitch. This one does last. The old style did wear out quite quickly. So
was that because of the tolerances or something? Or?
That's right, yeah. We made them too tight, and unless you service them, unless you really, really looked after your hitch, they were just going to wear out.
And as we know, people with builders and stuff, they
get abused.
They don't get greased.
They don't get greased. They don't get looked after.
But these should last now. Like they'll stand the abuse.
These should last the same amount of time as your machine.
So we've fitted that on there now. We're going to go and fit it on the micro digger as well next, which is very, very simple and very easy to fit, as we can see here. You basically, if you can fit a bucket, you can fit a Quick Hitch, can't you?
It's as easy as that. Like 2 pins straight through your bucket link, and you dip around.
And then say if there's ever like an issue, say if I, had to use a single pin drill that I borrowed off someone, we could literally take this off in a couple of minutes, couldn't we?
Oh yeah, easy. Yeah,
so I'm really pleased with it actually. Thank you very much, Josh. And
I really appreciate it.
We'll see you again.